Can I hold your kitty?
The kitty cat?
That's a lion. Yeah, that's what a lion says. You're a smart girl, Camila. How old are you, Camila? Does that mean 15 and a half months? Because if that's what that means, then you're right. Yeah, it's a bird. Do you want me to push one? Here, let's push this one. Looks like a horse. That's a horsey. Can you push another one? You want me to push that one? Moo. What about this one? Here, you gotta push right in the middle. Ready? I'll show you. What about this one? That's apparently the sound that a kangaroo makes. You gotta push right in the middle, Camila. Here, I'll help you. Give me your finger. What about a bee? You know what sound a bee makes? How about a sheep? Okay, we'll do an owl again. That's a kitty cat. What about this one? Is this a doggy? What sound does a doggy make? Do you want the bee? The bee goes buzz. Ready? Want to do it again? How about this one? This is a little mouse. You want the doggy? Push the doggy then. It's a ladybug. Push it. Doggy. That's a kitty cat. Can you push the lion again? Where's the lion? Do you know which one the lion is? The lion says roar. Which one says roar? Okay, let's go back to the doggy. What about a sheep? Want to do the kangaroo again?
Pretty close.
What about a rooster? Oh, you want to do a bee again? Push the bee. Here, I'll help you. Want to do a rooster? Yeah, you're a rooster. Is that your lammy? Ah, a buffalo or bison or something. What sound does that make? Let's find it out here.